Hello, this is Rahini from AI Restaurant. Who am I speaking with and how can we help?
Hey, I just want to book a reservation.
Great. What's your name? And how many people are you going to have with you?
My name is James and I'm gonna have 5 people with me.
Awesome, James. When would you like to book the reservation? Please let me know the date and time.
Yeah, I would like to book the reservation probably tomorrow at 11 a.m.
All right, let me check the availability for tomorrow at 11 a.m. Please hold on a moment. Good news, James. The time slot for tomorrow at 11 a.m. is available. Could you please provide your email address and spell it out for me?
Yeah, my email address is.
So, before moving forward, if you are a business owner and want to know how AI can help you in your business, there is a link in the description. You can book a free one-to-one call with me and we can discuss how AI can help you in your business, right? And in this tutorial, in the first part, you can't see me because when I am recording this video, I forget to start recording. You can hear my voice and you can see the screen. So follow the steps along and you can build the same thing, right? So just enjoy the video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can build a AI receptionist for a restaurant. Restaurant receives a significant amount of calls daily and most of them goes unanswered. So this is the stat I came across. So this is the stats I came across when I am doing research about this topic. So you can pause the video and give it a whole read, but I am gonna address the main highlighted points, which is out of these unanswered calls, it is estimated that 60% may have resulted in an order, with an average order value about $25. This could lead to a loss of around $2,250 per month, equating to over $27,000 annually. You can give it a whole read and you can see that 43% of call goes unanswered, right? So AI receptionist can be a magic for those restaurants who can't handle those huge amount of calls per month, right? So now, how is gonna the AI receptionist work? So when a customer calls, the AI receptionist will pick up the call, and if the customer have any kind of queries, it will answer those queries using the knowledge base of the restaurant, right? Then if the customers wants to book a reservation, it will book the reservation by collecting the necessary information about the customer, and it will add the information to a Google Sheet or a CRM, and it will inform the staff that reservation has booked. If a existing customer calls the receptionist and tell that they want to reschedule or cancel the reservation, it can cancel and reschedule the reservation as well. It will first verify the customer and then it will reschedule or cancel the reservation, and then it will inform the staffs, right? So this is the exact flow we are gonna build today. So for it, we are gonna use Retell AI, make.com and cal.com as a scheduling software. Now we are gonna build the AI voice agent or the AI receptionist for the restaurant from scratch, right? So first of all, you have to log in Retell. We are gonna use Retell for this example. After you log in, you will see this interface in Retell. So first of all, you need to click in create an agent and select multi-prompt agent. You can start from blank or you can have any kind of template. I'll start from blank. So when you click the blank template, you will head over to this interface where you can build the AI voice agent, right? So first of all, we need a prompt, a great prompt to make this work. So I already have the prompt. If you want the prompt, you can join my Discord community, free Discord community, and I share all the resources of my YouTube videos on that community, so you can join that. So I copy the prompt and paste it here, and you can see that the prompt is quite big. You can have it in my free Discord community, and after pasting it, you just need to save it. Then I will walk you through the prompt, what the prompt is all about. First, you need to define a role. I define the role. You are Rohini, an AI receptionist for AI restaurant. Sorry, this is AI restaurant. AI restaurant is a world-class restaurant led by Shivam, specializing in giving quality food and customer satisfaction. Task. You need to mention the task also. Your task is to answer customer queries, book reservations, and transfer calls. No, it's not transfer calls. Book reservation. I need to change a little bit. Book reservation, reschedule, reservation, cancel reservation. Okay, then you need to address some specifics, right? You will have this prompt, so don't need to worry about it. You can just go through the prompt and just edit it in your way. The context: you are in a phone call. You are in a phone conversation with a customer who may want to book a reservation, have any kind of queries related to menu or restaurant, or maybe want to reschedule or cancel their existing reservation. I mentioned the steps. Okay. Then I address some example conversations. Then I mention the available functions, right? Then hit save. This is the most important thing, right? Mainly restaurant work in a single time zone, right? And you need to mention the time zone here, and you need to say this: use only the start time to check the availability in the calendar, and as end time use 1 hour gap, right? So you need to add this, otherwise it will show error on the checking availability function. I will show you why in later on the video. So this is the prompt you need to give to the AI agent, right? I will name it AI restaurant receptionist. So now you need to add some functions, and this is the most beautiful part of Retell, that they already have many inbuilt functions, and the most useful ones is this: check calendar availability and book on the calendar. So first we need to add check calendar availability functions, because we need to check available time slots to book reservation. So for that we don't need to do anything. We just need the API key from cal.com and the event type ID. So first we need the API key from cal.com. For it, you just need to head over to cal.com and go to settings. After you go to settings, and you will have this API key sections, and after you click it, you can add a API key. You can create a API key. So add, I will say it restaurant YouTube video. You can call it anything, never expires, right? And just save. It will generate the API key. You need to copy the API key, and the first thing after copying it, you need to paste it in a notepad. So I'm gonna paste it because I need it frequently. I will need it frequently in this video. Okay, so I paste it, then done. After that, you need to head over to Retell and just need to paste the API key, right? And now you need the event type ID. Go to cal.com, back in cal.com. Now you need the event type ID. You just need to know that what type of meeting you want to set, like a 30-minute meeting or a 15-minute meeting, or this. For this example, it's not a meeting, it's a reservation. So I will add a new event called restaurant reservation, right? And I will make this to 60 minutes for a reservation, and then continue. And you can have this event type ID from in the URL. Now you need to go to Retell back and paste the event type ID. For time zone, I will set it to Asia, Kolkata, which is my time zone. I'm from India. Then I will save it, right? Now again you need to add another function called book reservation, not appointment. Then you need to enter the API key again. Enter the API key again, and again the event type ID. Then you need to change the time zone also. Then you need to save it. So the AI voice agent is ready to book reservation. So now we already built the check calendar availability and book reservation function. Now the AI voice agent can actually book reservation directly to the calendar. Now I'm gonna build the automation for rescheduling the reservation, but before that we need a thing. The thing is booking UID. If you go to cal.com documentation, you can see that we need the booking UID to actually reschedule the reservation. So for that we need to build a small automation. You can build the automation in make.com. I am using Pably because I am facing some issue in make.com to connect the cal.com module with make.com. So I am using Pably. I don't want to postpone this video anymore. So you just need to create a flow, name it anything which you want, then just hit create, right? Then you need to choose cal.com module and select the trigger event. Why we are building this workflow or this automation? Because we need the booking UID, right? So you need to copy this webhook URL and you need to go to cal.com, and here you need to go to settings, and there you can find a slot for webhooks, and in webhooks you need to create a new webhook. But before that I am gonna delete this existing webhook. I am deleting it for my own thought, or you can say. So you need to build your webhook. So after you click in new webhook, you just need to paste the webhook URL here. Now you need to clear all of these things, and just you need to add the booking created event triggers and then hit create webhook. So you can see the webhook is successfully created. Now it is waiting for the data, right? So before sending the data, we are gonna select another module as an action, which is Google Sheets. As a action, we choose add a new row, then connect your Google Sheet to pably.com. Pably, I already have an existing connection, so I will save it. If you don't have, you just need to add a new connection, then save. So after that you can see that I have the spreadsheet already, this spreadsheet with the name section, email section, booking UID section, number of people, special requirements, right? So now we need to send the data to this webhook. So for that I will book a quick reservation using the LLM. I'm going to book reservation. Okay. So I book a reservation. It first check the available slots and book the reservation. Then now you can see that if we go to retail, if you go to cal.com and then hit back, so here you can see a booking. Now you can go to Pabbly and you can see all of the data is here, all of the information is here. Now we just need to map all of the data in their respective field, so I will make it quick. I need the name, then the email, then the booking UID, the most crucial thing actually. So booking UID, so this is the booking UID, payload UID. We need to map that also. And the number of people and special requirement, we will fill these slots using the post call analysis, using another automation, so don't worry. Then I will hit save and send test request, and after that you can see that I have the slots filled. Right now we can actually make the function and make the automation to reschedule the reservation. So for that I will build a custom function. I will name it then I will give a description. Then we need a webhook URL, so for that we will go to make, we will create a new scenario. So we will create a new scenario and search for webhook. The internet is slow a little bit. Then we will add a custom webhook. We will add a new webhook. You can add a new webhook. I will not adding a new webhook because I have a webhook. I will choose it and it will give me a URL. I will copy the URL and now paste it here. Now we need to add the JSON schema to capture the informations. So for that, what we are gonna do, we are gonna click on add and it will give you an example JSON schema, and we will copy it and we will paste it in ChatGPT and say it, tell it to edit this JSON schema where I need name of the customer and the email of the customer. also the customer also the requested time to reschedule the reservation, and then hit enter. So now what ChatGPT will do, it will build, it will edit this JSON schema and build another JSON schema. So you can see that we don't need this thing. So I will say I don't need and it will regenerate the JSON schema again, and you can see the customer name, the customer email, requested rescheduling time, right? And then you need to copy it and go to Retell and paste the JSON schema here, format the JSON, and you can choose speak during execution. Right, then hit save. So now our rescheduling function is ready. So now we need to send all of this information to this webhook. So for that I will run this scenario once. We'll send the information here to this webhook to make the so I hit the run once button, and now we need to send the information to this webhook to make the rest of the scenario. So I will make it quick. So now you can see the tool is invoked, and tool invocation, you can see the tools invoked, and now we can have all of the data to this webhook, and you can see the requested time, the customer name, and the customer email. Now we need to verify the customer first, that we need to check first that is the customer is a existing customer who books the reservation. So for that we will head over to Google Sheets and search modules, search rows, then I will connect the spreadsheet ID. This is the same spreadsheet ID which we connect in Tably. Then sheet name, then we need to filter the things. So the filter is this name section contains this name, and this email section should contain this email, then hit OK. Now it will output the row where if this criteria is matched, right, and we can have the booking ID. So now I'm gonna add a router. Okay, and for that now I am gonna add text Cortex AI. It is a great substitution, or you can say substitution of ChatGPT to, because it offers a free API which ChatGPT doesn't offer, right? So I will create a completion. Now I will give it a prompt. I already have the prompt. You can see that I already built the scenario in my main account, and I am showing you how to build it from scratch. So it takes a lot of effort to build a same system, this type of system from scratch again, to show you how it can be done. So if you are receiving any kind of value from this video, please like the video, and if you have any kind of doubts, you can tell me in the comment. Also, you can join our free Discord community. Okay, so I will copy this prompt and head over to here, and I'm gonna paste it. I will remove it, and I will map this time here. So what it will do, it will change the time, the format of the time to this format, so that the cal.com can understand and reschedule the reservation. So then hit OK. Now I need to add tools. I will set a variable requested time, and the variable value should be the text. Okay, then we need to add the HTTP module and make a request. Now we need to go to cal.com. Here you can see the cal.com documentation, and you need to add all of these things. First you need to add the URL. You just need to copy it and paste it here. You need to choose the method to post. You need to add headers. For the headers, we actually need the API key. I have the API key in my notepad, so I will copy it and paste it here. The cal API version is this. Copy it, paste it, and we also need the booking UID. I will set it test so I can replace it in make.com scenario. So now we need to just copy and paste everything in the HTTP module. Authorization as the header name, paste. The value should be this, bearer, and the rest of the API, paste. Then we need to add another header, and this is cal API version, paste it. Okay, so now we need to add the body type, which is raw, content type as JSON application. Requested content, I will copy and paste it from my previous scenario, which is this. This is the requested content. Just copy it and paste it here. We just need to remove this thing and add this. Now hit OK. I think I have all of the things ready, right? Now we need to set this webhook. If we doesn't have if we didn't find the customer in our existing database, we will say them that sorry, we don't find any reservation booked with the name of this and email of this. And we just gonna replace it from this and then hit OK. And if we find the existing customer, we will reschedule the whole thing, and we will say them that we successfully booked the reservation. Change this to and hit OK. So we build the whole thing, you can see, right? Now you can see that we have booked a meeting at 4 p.m. and if I run this scenario again, we need to test it again, and you can see that the reservation is successfully rescheduled. So let's test it. Now you see, so you can see the take the available time, if the time is available, then click to confirm here. Now you can see that, let's see what happened. So it actually found an error in the HTTP request. Let's see this see what's the issue. So it found 404 not found. Okay, sorry, we forget to add the booking UID from here, so we need to add the booking UID. As I said before, I forget to do it. Right now I think it will happen, so let's test it again. Now let's see. Now you can see that this is successful, and if we go to cal.com, we can see that the reservation is rescheduled at 11 a.m. So we successfully build the rescheduling reservation function also. So we build the reschedule reservation functions also. Now the AI voice agent can reschedule the reservations. Now what I see that I actually forgot to set up a filter here, and it actually goes to this webhook also. So I will set up a filter here, so that this filter would be, the filter should be if the name not equal to this name.
right? Or this email not equal to this email, then it will go to this path and to this webhook and hit save. So you need to add a filter here, right? Now we can build the next function called cancel reservation. It's pretty easy. Right, reservation, and always remember to save the scenario and use this function to cancel the reservation. And we need to build another scenario, so let's build another scenario. So select create a new scenario, then you need to add another webhook, custom webhook custom webhook. Need to add a new webhook called cancel reservation. You can name it anything, then hit OK. It will generate a URL. You need to copy it, you need to go to Retell and paste it. Then you need to add the JSON schema like we did it before. So what we will do, we'll go to ChatGPT and tell that we just need the name of the customer and email of the customer. This time we don't need the time because we are cancelling the reservation. Then it will generate the JSON schema again. After it, then you need to copy and go to Retell again, paste it, format the JSON. Okay, format the JSON. Let's format the JSON and stop this and then save. Now we need to send all of the information to this webhook, right? And then we can build the further thing there. So just click run once and I will show you how you can do it. Delete this existing chat. I want to cancel my reservation. My name is James and my email is. So you can see the tool is invoked and we have all the data here. Now we need to build the existing scenario. Now we need to add a search rows to verify the customer. Add the spreadsheet ID, sheet name 1, then add the filter contains now hit OK. Now after that we need to make a HTTP request, make a request. Now we need to go to the cal.com documentation again. You can see a cancel booking. Now we need to add this URL here. The method is post. We need to add the authorization also. We need to add the header and name it authorization. It is the same as we did it in our previous scenario, so I am making it quick. Then add name. We need the API version also, cal API version. Copy it, then head over to here, paste it, the value is this, the value should be this for now. Then we need the path, the booking UID. So for that we need to go here, and if we need the booking UID, we actually need to run this scenario again. Let's unlink first and run it. We need to test it again. Let's see. Okay, now we can have the booking UID. Now let's link it and just remove it and add the booking UID. And then so after you add the booking UID, you need to click OK for now. Then we need to have this body type, the content also, and I am gonna paste it from my previous scenario. So I go to the scenario and I will copy the requested content, this. Okay, then we need to add it raw, content type, JSON application, then paste the content type also. I think we have everything to cancel the reservation. Then hit OK, then hit run once. So as we have the automation ready, let's book a new reservation and then we can cancel it. So let's book a reservation first. So you can see I book a new reservation. Here is the new reservation. Now I want to cancel the reservation. So for that I'm gonna delete this chat and say I want to cancel the reservation. Okay, so it is actually running. Let's see what happened. So the tool is invoked, the scenario is completed, and the booking is cancelled. So you can see the booking is cancelled, the reservation has cancelled. So we built everything for now: the check calendar availability, the book reservation, the reschedule reservation function, the cancel reservation function. Right now actually the AI voice agent has fully completed. Now it can book reservation, it can reschedule reservation, cancel reservation. Now we already built our AI receptionist. Now it's time to test it. Okay, so it can book reservation, it can cancel reservation, it can reschedule reservation also. Now I'm gonna test it and let's see how it goes. So let's test it and then I will show you how to do post call analysis and have all of the information of the customer. So let's test it.
Hello, this is Rahini from AI Restaurant. Who am I speaking with and how can we help?
Hey, I just want to book a reservation.
Great. What's your name? And how many people are you going to have with you?
My name is James and I'm gonna have 5 people with me.
Awesome, James. When would you like to book the reservation? Please let me know the date and time.
Yeah, I would like to book the reservation probably tomorrow at 11 a.m.
Alright, let me check the availability for tomorrow at 11 a.m. Please hold on a moment. Good news, James. The time slot for tomorrow at 11 a.m. is available. Could you please provide your email address and spell it out for me?
Yeah, my email address is shivam10das@gmail.com.
Thank you. Just to confirm, your email is shivam10das@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Great. Is there anything we should know before your visit to AI Restaurant, like any special requirements or restrictions?
Yeah, actually we are vegetarian.
Got it, James. I'll make a note that your group is vegetarian. So, to confirm, we have a reservation for James for 6 people tomorrow at 11 a.m. and your group is vegetarian. I'll go ahead and book this reservation for you. Please hold on a moment. Your reservation has been successfully booked for tomorrow at 11 a.m. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thanks. Bye.
Okay. Have a great day and enjoy your time at AI Restaurant. Bye. Hello, this is Rahini from AI Restaurant. Who am I speaking with and how can we help?
Hey, I just want to reschedule my reservation.
Okay, I can help with that. Could you please provide me with your name and email?
Yeah, my name is James.
Could you please spell your email for me, James?
Yeah, my email is shivam10das@gmail.com.
Thank you, James. Just to confirm, your email is shivam10ds@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yeah,
Great. When would you like to reschedule your reservation?
I would like to reschedule my reservation tomorrow at probably 2 p.m.
Let me check the availability for tomorrow at 2 p.m. Good news, James. The time slot for tomorrow at 2 p.m. is available. Let me go ahead and reschedule your reservation.
Okay.
Your reservation has been successfully rescheduled for tomorrow at 2 p.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thanks.
You're welcome, James. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Bye. So you can see that the reservation is rescheduled. Now we are gonna test the cancel reservation function. So now let's book a new reservation and see it can cancel the reservation or not.
Hello, this is Rohini from AI Restaurant. Who am I speaking with, and how can we help?
Hey, I just want to book a reservation.
Great. What's your name, and how many people will be joining you for the reservation?
My name is John.
Nice to meet you, Don. When would you like to book the reservation, and how many people will be joining you?
Yeah, my name is John, not Don.
Oh, my apologies, John. When would you like to book the reservation, and how many people will be joining you?
Yeah, I would like to book the reservation tomorrow at 11 a.m.
Got it, John. How many people will be joining you for the reservation?
5 people.
Could you please clarify the number of people joining you for the reservation?
Yeah, it's 5 people.
Thank you, John. Could you please provide your email address and spell it out for me?
Yeah, my email address is shivam10das@gmail.com.
Thank you, John. Just to confirm, your email is shivamdas@gmail.com. Is that correct?
It's shivam10das@gmail.com.
Thank you for clarifying. So your email is shivam10bass@gmail.com. Is that correct?
No, it's DAS.
Got it. So your email is shivam10das@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Great. Do you have any special requirements or anything we should know about before your visit to AI Restaurant?
No.
All right, John. Just to confirm, you want to book a reservation for tomorrow at 11 a.m. for 5 people, and your email is shivam10ds@gmail.com. Let me check the availability for you. Booking your reservation for tomorrow at 11 a.m. Your reservation for tomorrow at 11 a.m. has been successfully booked for 5 people. If there's anything else you need, feel free to let me know. Have a great day, John.
Yeah, bye. Now let's cancel the reservation. We have 2 reservation. I will cancel this reservation.
Hello, this is Rohini from AI Restaurant. Who am I speaking with, and how can we help?
Hey, I just want to cancel my reservation.
Sure, I can help with that. Could you please provide your name and spell it for me?
Yeah, my name is John, John.
Thank you, John. Could you also provide your email and spell it out for me?
Yeah, my email is vam10das@gmail.com.
Just to confirm, your email is shivam10das@gmail.com, right?
Yeah.
Hold on a second while I cancel your reservation.
Okay, so you can see the AI agent cancel the reservation. So we book a reservation, we reschedule the reservation, and we also cancel a reservation. So now you can actually build it from scratch. So now I'm gonna show you how you can send the post call analysis to this database so that you can have the number of people and special requirements also. So what you have to do, you just have to add post call data retrieval. You can select text. I will call it special requirements. Any special requirements? Any special requirements of the customer. Save. Then the number of people, number of people, the number of people, the wait for whom the customer book reservation. Now save. We just need two things here, and then we need to go to make, and there we need a webhook URL to transfer all of this data. So you can create a new scenario. I already created. So we need the webhook URL here, custom webhook. I need to copy it and paste it here. Okay, now we need to go again in here, and we need to select the Google Sheet, add a row, spreadsheet ID, restaurant database, sheet 1. Now as we already have these slots, we just need these two slots. So whenever the call ended, it will send all of the data in this custom webhook, and you can just map the number of people and the special requirements here, and you can have the information here. So yeah, that's it. And just make sure to save the scenario, right, and turn this button on so it can send all of the data here as soon as the call end, right? So that's it for the video. It is a long video actually. So if you have any kind of doubts, just let me know in the comments, and also you can join my free Discord community. Okay, so that's it for the video. If you enjoyed the video and received some value, just make sure to like it and let me know what do you think about this video and this special use case, right? So yeah, that's it. See you in the next video.